What is up, guys? Okay, so I'm standing in my kitchen because I have loads of things that I need to do as I am cleaning up and preparing to leave for St. Lucia. I am so excited for this trip. This will be the last one that I'm taking right before the school year starts. Like literally when I come back from St. Lucia, I probably have maybe about 3-4 days to really get my life together, and then the school year will be starting for like all of the faculty and staff. So it is so important that I set the scene and get this entire apartment clean, mopped, smelling good, just all the things before I leave to go to St. Lucia. Now, if you are new to my channel, welcome to 86 Ambrosia. My name is Jen with 1 J and 2 N's. And typically on my channel, I make a lot of style content featuring like Walmart try-on hauls and sharing with you just my evolution of my personal style and aesthetic. You guys seem to really love those. But recently I've added in vlogging and just sharing how life has been treating me since I moved from Georgia to Texas. So I don't fly out right away. I still have a few days before I actually leave. But my flight is at 4 in the morning. Well, it's not at 4 in the morning, excuse me. I have to be to the airport at 4 in the morning. That's number one. And then number two, I still have to get my hair done. I have a nail and pedi appointment the day after. And that same day, I get a facial to make sure that my skin will be nice and hydrated and glowy before I step into Gross Island or before I step into St. Lucia. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Of course, they're not as full as they were, but they're still just so freaking gorgeous. Oh my gosh. I cannot wait to get the proper vase because this does not work, but it's sufficient for the time being. So I'll leave those there and I'll just get new flowers, fresh flowers, when I return from my vacation. Girl, why was I about to go full throttle in the rest of this space? All I had to do left was mop. I even took the mat up. I was about to hit it, and then move on to my bedroom and then move on to the bathroom when I got a text from my friend girl at the gym that I work out, and she was like, hey, are we still on for the night? I completely forgot. So I literally had to take a shower. Try to pin my hair up, make it look real cute, do something with it, maybe wash my face and do another face, or do like a really soft little beat and get out of here. Rapido. I got to hurry up. Like, how did I make that mistake? And a part of me really wants to be like, girl, I can't. But I'm not gonna do that because I won't want anybody to do that to me, especially if they've been looking forward to hanging out all day and I'm finna like ghost you to clean up. Don't say anything about the way that I look. I know I'm looking like real bad. Your girl Jen just came from boxing, and I'm gonna show you how I clean my boxing gloves really quickly before I put them away because that's like the first thing that I do. I literally just walked in the freaking door, sat down, grabbed my camera, and I was like, okay, let's get back into this cleaning because tomorrow is my hair appointment. So like I gotta finish today. Like I gotta finish and I gotta get packed today, okay? And although I had a really great time hanging out last night, I still came home and finished the kitchen and the living room space. I went ahead and mopped, you know, re-wiped down the countertops because I couldn't remember like which countertop that I was still working on before I like stopped to get dressed. So I just wiped everything down again, sanitized, and then this space was good to go. And this morning I got up literally at 7 because I had to go to boxing. And then now that I'm home and I've gone and ran just a few errands, I'm ready to jump back into cleaning up. And so yeah, you're still keeping me company. So let's jump back into it.
나연히 내게 보낸 reels 하나 둘씩 클릭해보는 너의 생각들 yeah. Look at me baby you and me 하루 종일 혼자라도 not only lonely How close to me baby just like a dream yeah. 따뜻한 너의 품 고개 들어 이렇게 눈 맞추면 You make me go crazy all the little things you do You're my teddy bear, teddy bear 많은 사랑과 내게 줘도 좋아 You're my teddy bear, teddy bear 부드러운 너의 품 나는 원해 너의 눈 The sweetest 누군가 나에게 어디가 그렇게 좋냐고 물어보면 난 이렇게 대답할래 내게 10번의 기회가 있달도 너에게 all in 해가 2번 아니 3번 뜰 때까지 너의 옆에 Come close to me baby just like a dream yeah 이런 맘정이야 I wanna know everything about you 살짝 몰래 내게 입 맞추면
Now I must say that cleaning the bathroom is probably my least favorite area to clean. Typically I save it either for last or I do it first because once the bathroom is clean then I feel like, okay, I got it. Out of all of the areas in my apartment that I love to clean, it would be the kitchen. Like I can clean the kitchen every day and it's never a problem. But with cleaning the bathroom, you have to get down low, up high. You gotta wiggle a little bit. You gotta twist a little bit. You gotta get in every nook and every cranny. You gotta do that in the other spaces too. But you really wanna make sure that you're thoroughly sanitizing the bathroom because that's where all of your bodily fluids are. So yeah.
두려워하는 나의 손을 잡아줄 거란 뜻을 알아 Baby take my hand You're my teddy bear, teddy bear 내 많은 사랑과 내게 줘도 좋아 You're my teddy bear, teddy bear 부드러운 너의 품 나는 원해 너의 눈 The sweet You're my teddy bear, my teddy bear 이대로 시간이 멈춘데도 좋아 You're my teddy bear, my teddy bear 부드러운 너의 품 나만 원해 너의 눈 Teddy bear, teddy bear 많은 사랑과 내게 줘도 좋아 You're my teddy bear, teddy bear 부드러운 너의 품 나는 원해 너의 눈 The sweetest 누군가 나에게 어디가 그렇게 좋냐고 물어보면 난 이렇게 대답할래 내게 10번의 기회가 있달도 너에게 all in 해가 2번 아니 3번 뜰 때까지 너의 옆에 Come close to me baby just like a dream yeah 이런 맘정이야 I wanna know everything about you 살짝 몰래 내게 입 맞추면 You make me go crazy all the little things you do You're my teddy bear, teddy bear 많은 사랑과 내게 줘도 좋아 You're my teddy bear, teddy bear 부드러운 너의 품 나는 원해 너의 눈 The sweetest It might be too early to say But I found the love of my life, my life 너도 나와 같은 맘인걸 The way you make me feel is gonna change the way I used to be 이차구한 나일까 두려워하는 나의 손을 잡아줄 거란 뜻을 알아 Baby take my hand You're my teddy bear, teddy bear 내 많은 사랑과 내게 줘도 좋아 You're my teddy bear, teddy bear
Okay, so this is most of the pieces that I am taking with me to St. Lucia. This is everything that worked. I've already decided how I'm going to style out all of these pieces, the bag, the jewelry, just everything that I'll be wearing on my vacation except for the short sets and then like what I'm gonna wear on excursions because I didn't need to hang those pieces up there like shorts. I took a chance on a lot of these pieces because I haven't shopped Fashion Nova in so long. Like for example, this bikini here, oh my gosh, this looks so good on. I plan on taking pictures in it, just the whole nine. But girl, my breasts are not small at all. Like it's really giving feed a whole village. It's really giving that vibe, but it fits and it looks so good on, especially because it's gold up against like my brown skin. It just looks really good. It does not wash me out like what I thought it might happen. But of course, I have actual different bikinis here that I plan on swimming in, things that I plan on wearing for breakfast, like this set right here. I want to wear her to breakfast. And then this dress here is not from Fashion Nova. This dress is actually from Hanifa. So this is one of my luxury pieces here. And then like this is J-Lux label. This is Pretty Little Thing. So I just have a variety of stuff, but most of it is Fashion Nova. So other than the bikini, I am going to do a try on haul and just share with you everything that I did purchase from Fashion Nova because I got some really amazing pieces and they look so good on. Like, oh gosh, I cannot wait to get dressed every day while I'm there. Also, I am Silver Medallion, TSA PreCheck, and Global Entry. I guess whatever that's called when you have TSA Global Entry. So it will make traveling, it should make traveling pretty easy, and I don't have to wait in like those long lines, especially coming back through customs. So I'm really excited about that. I am going to get these put onto the luggage. Another favorite of mine that I like to use for like organization and everything are these like collegiate bags. And I call them collegiate bags because they're corduroy and they kind of remind me like of a Letterman's jacket, but they are so cute. They come in a pack and I got them from Amazon. And of course, I'm going to link everything that I can link down in the description box. And then also to like pack my clothes, these compression bags that I got from Manos are absolutely a lifesaver. They're a game changer. They allow me to pack so much stuff. Yeah, so it allows me to get everything in my suitcase without like any worries will my suitcase close, because we don't like that. Suitcase is not closing. That is like the freaking worst.
나연히 내게 보낸 reels 하나 둘씩 클릭해보는 너의 생각들 yeah. Look at me baby you and me 하루 종일 혼자라도 not only lonely Come close to me baby just like a dream yeah. 따뜻한 너의 품 거울 들어 이렇게 눈 맞추면 You make me go crazy.
So I'm going to go ahead and get everything folded, packed down into my luggage. I am going to end the vlog here. Oh girl, I can't wait to get on Instagram and show y'all what my nails look like because this is horrendous. Oh my gosh, horrendous. But nevertheless, I'm going to stop it here so that I can really chill, make me something to eat, get all of these clothes packed down into the luggage, get all of my shoes, get the clothes that are in my bedroom out of the way because they're getting on my nerves. But make sure you come back so that you can see what I'm wearing in St. Lucia, the St. Lucia vlog, and then every other vlog, try on haul, video, whatever that I have for you. Make sure you come back.
나연히